Founded in year 2010, Shenzhen ETONM Motor Company Limited is the leading DC gear motor supplier in Shenzhen, China. We offer over 100 series of different DC gear motor, including spur gear motor, planetary gear motor, worm gear motor, and brushless gear motor. We are supporting customers from over 100 countries in the world, from Asia to Oceania, from Oceania to Europe, to Middle East, to South Africa, to Northern America, to South America. We always keep the belief: customers first, technical customization, steady quality, professional service. In order to create biggest value for our customers, we offer OEM and ODM service, and we continuously develop at 8 types of new gear motor every year. To be professional is our dream. From the start to future, we have been only focused on mini DC gear motor. These motors are with low voltage, 1 VDC to 30 VDC, small diameter, 8 to 51 mm. These motors are widely used in robotics, sanitary dispenser, locking and safe, electric valve and meter, electric curtain, automatic cradle, bank and vending automations, medical equipments and apparatus, beauty and healthcare, solar automation. We have made very good achievements in low noise and high torque regions, and already supplied these solutions to top 500 in the world. Welcome to visit us. We will make your trust worth it.